Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can use the Boolean modifier in Blender. The Boolean modifier plays very essential role during modeling in Blender. So how you can use? So let's start. First, I add a cube in my Blender and I also turn on the screencast keys because you can see which I pressing in Blender. So nice. So I scale this cube along y-axis something like this and also scale this. Beautiful. Now I add a cylinder by pressing Shift A and rotate this cylinder along x-axis to 90 degree and also scale down this cylinder and also scale along y-axis and make it shade smooth. Beautiful. Now I select my cube and in modifier I add the Boolean modifier, and here you can see that there are a different option in Boolean modifier. They are intersect, union and by default difference. So we can discuss all these Boolean option one by one. First I make it default difference, and here in object I select this eyedropper and select the cylinder, and here you can see that if I hide this object, an hole is made in this cube. So by using the difference types of a Boolean modifier, we can make holes and different types of cuts in during modeling. Nice. Also unhide this object and Ctrl Z to undo these steps. Beautiful. Now I select this and here I choose the option union, and here you can see that these two objects, cube and cylinder, are merged with each other. So by selecting the union option, you can see that the both objects are joined with each other. And the third option, I select this cube. The third option is intersect, and in intersect you can see that if I hide the cylinder, Alt H, and I select this, and if I hide this cylinder, you can see that the area which are joined by the cube and the cylinder are remain, and all other area are intersect from this. Nice. So in this way you can easily make a hole, join object and different types of modeling by using Boolean tool in Blender. Thanks for watching.